of tailgating there, you know? Shit out, yeah, beams! Could you be any closer, old man? And you didn't stop! Let's go. Stop before you turn. Hello. I'm doing 70. I think he's doing 700. Not sure. And exit dive on top of it. Yeah. Boom! People are, yeah, inconsiderate assholes. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Kaboom! 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 What the hell did he just do? Who's banging Yui? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Cut off straight from the turn lane. Clean off your damn windshield. No, you didn't stop. You didn't quite stop either. Hi! Hi, Prius. How you doing? Asshole. Stop! Tell your turn! Clunk. That wasn't necessary. Thank you for not stopping. Why don't you speak? Anything of what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Shopping center dive, Subadoosh. Am I gonna make the red light? Beat the red light. I beat the red light. Thank you. This light changes too damn quick. Excuse me. You're supposed to stop before you turn. 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 You get off my ass, old man. Thank you. Yes, that lane's closed. They got red X means. Next up. Staying in lane. Staying in lane. Stop before you turn. Hey, look. It's the middle of the day. The sun's out. Shut up, you beams. Stop. Stop. Good stop. Did not stop at all. Neither did you. Tough guy truck and a camera ride. Stop. Stop. Now, are you gonna stop? No. Are you gonna stop? No. Are you gonna stop? You didn't though. You didn't though. No turn on red. Did you see the light, stupid? Did you stop? What the fuck are you doing, dude? Crackhead. And you could stop. Ugh. You could stop too. What are you doing? What are you doing? You son of a bitch. Thank you. It's kind of an extra dive, I'd say. I'd say it was cut off. I don't think you stopped back there.